Hello friends. Today we are going to talk about an amazing feature of OSBooks Multi-Payment Management. Whether you receive part payment in cash, some in bank, and the rest via UPI or check, you can manage everything in one place. Now let's head over to the OSBooks sales interface, where we'll understand the complete multi-payment process step by step. For that, simply press the shortcut key Ctrl+S on your keyboard, and you'll land directly on the sales window. After that, just select the customer. Then press Enter to choose the product name, and keep adding items to the bill by pressing Enter. Once the items are added, just save the bill, either by clicking the Save button below or by pressing the shortcut key Ctrl+Enter. Now you'll see the option to select multi-payment. Like here, I first select cash. My total amount is 3,440 rupees, so I'll add 1,500 rupees in cash. As soon as I press Enter, I'll get an option where I can either simply press Enter again to submit, or choose online payment if I want. For example, if the payment came through Bank of India, just search and select the bank, and I'll add 1,000 rupees from bank. Then hit Enter, and if you want, you can even create a new bank, like HDFC Bank. As soon as you press Enter, a module will open where you need to decide whether it's a cash book or a bank book. Just select Bank Book and press Enter, and your bank will be created instantly. Now select the newly created bank, and fill in the remaining amount there. Alternatively, you can also accept the payment by check. Now save the bill and click on Print. Click on Settings at the top side, and you can change the bill format as well, hammer and wrench. Now, if you want multiple payments to be shown on the bill, just turn on the Show Paid Amount setting. After that, hit Save, and you'll clearly see how much amount came in cash, how much through UPI, etc. That's how easily you can manage multi-payment in OSBooks. White heavy checkmark money bag. Now in the dashboard, you can check the All Account Balance section to see how much amount is currently in cash and how much is in the bank. This way, you can manage your entire amount from one place, easily and smartly. Briefcase bar chart white heavy checkmark. Money with wings, whether it's cash, UPI, or bank. Manage everything in a single sale, easily. Be smart. Choose OSBooks. Sparkle's the master of multi-payment. OSBooks makes billing faster.